Hi, welcome back to my channel. After doing research on several video editors, finally I found the most handy video editor that enables you to edit your business videos anywhere. In this 8-minute video editing tutorial, I will guide you step by step on how to use this amazing and free video editor. So, let's get started. Part 1. Introduction. To create a video ad for your business, you can use CapCut Intelligence Video Editor. CapCut's new Intelligence ad script feature instantly generates different versions of ad scripts and allows you to make any necessary edits. CapCut offers you a vast selection of templates cleared for commercial use, enabling you to create your first video ads with just a few clicks. You can also work seamlessly with your team using the TeamSpace Cloud feature. Everyone can upload, access, review, and edit all in one place. This feature also enables you to edit your videos on different devices, whether you're working on a desktop, mobile, or website, ensuring flexibility to create content on the go. Part 2. Create account. To start using CapCut's online intelligence video editor, you need to create a CapCut account. Go to the official CapCut Intelligence Video Editor website. You can find the link in the video description and click the Sign Up button. You can use your Google, TikTok, Facebook, or any email account to register. Not only does this work on PCs, but it also works on mobile devices, allowing you to edit your videos anywhere. You can find the official CapCut video editor for mobile in the video description. Part 3. Generate ad script. After finishing creating your CapCut account, log into your CapCut Online Intelligence Video Editor. Now let's ask CapCut to generate an ad script for our product or services. Click the Ad Script button, type your product, service, or brand name, and then describe the selling points of your product or service. After that, click the Generate button to start creating your ad script. CapCut Intelligent will provide you with 5 options. Choose the best one, make any edits if needed, and click the Use this script button to continue. Part 4. Add media. Now you can add your own media, including images and videos for the hook, selling point, and call to action. To do that, click the plus button and select where you want to upload your media. You can choose media from your device, Google Drive, or Dropbox. You can also use media from your CapCut Cloud. In this example, I will upload media from my computer. Click the Browse button to upload the image. Make sure you change the custom file to all file options and then select your media. CapCut Intelligent will automatically generate captions and voiceovers for your media. You can preview this by clicking the play button on TikTok Preview or Original Preview mode. Continue to upload your media for selling points and call to action, or you can leave it blank and use CapCut stock media in the next step. To continue, click the Open Multi-Track Editor button. Part 5. Edit and add video objects. Now you can edit your video using CapCut's online intelligence video editor. You can change or add video or images from CapCut stock media. Add music or audio.
Looking for something special to wear? I found it. I was looking for a shirt that was stylish.
Add text. Edit captions. and add stickers. Part 6. Video Effects and Filters. To add a video effect to your current scene, go to the Effect menu, select the desired effect, and drag and drop it onto the scene where you want to add the effect. You can customize the effect length and timeline by dragging the position and effect length on the effect layer. Now let's add a video filter to your current scene. Go to the Filter menu, select the desired filter, and drag and drop it onto the scene where you want to add the filter. You can customize the filter length and timeline by dragging the position and filter length on the filter layer. Part 7. Transitions. To add a transition between videos or scenes, go to the Transition menu, select your desired transition, and drag and drop it between the scenes or videos where you want to add this transition. Press the play button to see this change. Part 8. Export video. After everything is set, click the Export button, change the file name, select video resolution, video quality, frame rate, and file format. Then click the Export button to start rendering your final video. You can download the video result to your device by clicking the Download button. You can also share the video link or share it to TikTok or TikTok Ad Manager to use this video as a TikTok ad.
Looking for something special to wear? I found it. I was looking for a shirt that was stylish and comfortable at the same time. After trying multiple brands, I found this one. It's called the Palo shirt, and it's designed to be as elegant as it is relaxed. Plus, the price is unbeatable.
For more CapCut tutorials, you can follow their official social media account. You can find the link in this video description. Thank you for watching this Intelegent video editing tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and like this video to support my work. See you in the next tutorial video. Bye-bye.